Hello world, Shelly here, and today we are going to try something new together. I have never done anything like this before. This is the Kiss Falscara, a new way to lash. And I'm trying to think of the brand. What is it, Lashify? Is that a thing? Like, there's some big brand that does something like this where you apply the lashes underneath your lash line and you get like long wear out of them. So anyway, I was curious, but I didn't want to spend that kind of money. So I'm going to try this first. This retails for $13.99 for this starter kit. And I did not realize that the glue that comes with the starter kit is a short-term wear, but they do make an overnighter bond glue that you can wear for up to 10 days. So this is not that version of the glue, but you can buy that separately. And the idea here is that you get these wispy little lashes and you apply them underneath your natural lashes. So you put down the bonding sort of base coat, apply the lashes, and then seal it with this sealant coat. It's all in one little tube, and they have very kindly labeled bond and seal. And the brushes are different colors. So the seal is a white brush and the bond is a black brush, so that once you get used to using this, you can kind of at a glance know if you are doing the right one at the right time. And it also comes with an applicator, which is really pretty. It is a nice little ombre sort of applicator thingamajig. So we're gonna try this. I've never done this before. I've used false lashes in the strip that you apply above your lash line. I've never tried anything like this. So typically on false lashes, I always end up cutting off the edge of the strips, the very far outer corner of the strips. So I'm guessing that I'm not gonna need all of these, so I'm gonna skip the far outer one. The instructions say to apply them from the outer corner inward. So I'm just gonna use the inner ones. You start with the bond, apply it under your lashes, and some of the videos I've seen of people applying these, they don't take it all the way out to the tips of their lashes. They just kind of focus on getting it at the base. So I'm using the bond side, which is the glue. We're gonna do one eye at a time. And I'm gonna take the little brush and kind of mascara swipe it. I'm not wearing any mascara right now. I'm gonna get it on all of my underside of my lashes. I'll get it in there and wiggle it in. Get it in here good. All right, now I'm going to grab the second from the outer. Oh, well, be very careful because I just ruined one. Pretty sure I just ruined one. You can't really grab it and pull. It's a little too stuck. I read that in the reviews and I forgot about it. It's a little too well stuck to the thing here. Maybe it's not ruined. I did pull a lash out of it, but maybe it'll be okay. See how I pulled out that middle lash? All right, let's not use that one. I'm keeping it, but I'm gonna move one over since I don't think I'm gonna need these all anyway. Okay, this time I'm gonna try to pull it with my hand so I'm holding all of them. That worked much better. They say to hold it with the applicator from the middle to the end, and that way you'll have better control. I'm thinking I'm gonna stay toward the end. They say to put it just beyond like your waterline, so you're not covering your waterline. Wow, these are kind of long. It stuck right in place though. Like that just was kind of instant. And then they say you can kind of sandwich it in to get it to bond stronger to your natural lashes. All right, I'm gonna zoom you guys in and see how this is going. There's the outer piece. It feels weightless. It feels like nothing at all, which is awesome. Let's go to the next one. Hopefully I can do this fast enough that my glue stays tacky. All right, so I'm grabbing it toward the outer edge of the wisp to hopefully give me enough room to place it. All right, that one didn't place as easily. Let's try this again. I'm kind of getting stuck. It's stuck to the applicator, which is the problem. Oh, there we go. So if you get it to touch the bond. It really does kind of like zoop, like right in there. I probably should have gone a little closer to the outer edge that I just did. That was a positioning error on my part, but we may be able to kind of fake it here. All right, I'm not gonna sandwich it yet. I'm gonna go in and get the last one in here before this bond dries. All right. Stay, stay, stay. There it goes. As long as you can get it to touch the right spot, it'll stay. But you gotta get it there. Yeah, I definitely only need 3. I hope you were able to see what I just did. I hope I didn't go out of camera like this. There we go. All right, yeah, I can definitely pull off just using 3. I'm just gonna use my fingers to sandwich them a little bit. And kind of get them stuck in there. Wow. That's some lashes. I feel like you have to be very careful to butt them right up against each other, because if not, you can see where you have gaps a little bit, because I can see the 3 gaps between them, and I did, I think, a pretty good job at getting them close to each other, but they feel totally sturdy. They feel, I barely feel anything at all. Like, all I'm feeling right now is the rest of the bond drying. I can kind of feel that sensation, but trying to kind of alleviate that little distance between. All right, let's do the seal step on this side. And this is to seal them in place. It didn't say to go under or over, so I'm guessing you have to go under in order to seal what you already put down, but I'm not certain. So I'm just kind of trying to wiggle some sealant on there. And hopefully that'll be good. All right, so there's one eye with only 3 pieces on. It comes with 5 for each eye. All right, I'm gonna speed you guys through the second eye and we'll see where we end up. All right, here we are with the finished lashes. I struggled more on this side, probably because I ended up having to use my left hand and I am a right-handed person. So your dominant side might be easier than your non-dominant side. What do I think? I think they look more dramatic than mascara, which is why I would wear these. I like a good dramatic lash. I think they were super easy. I will need some practice. You know, I learned some things about getting them lined up. I did better on the lining up on this eye, but getting them butted up right up against each other is key. I think on this eye you can kind of see the little gaps where they're not quite as close as they could be. But overall, I feel like this is something that once I get the hang of it, I could do really, really quickly. And if I could wear these for 10 days, that would be amazing. I doubt I will ever get that level of long wear out of something like this, only because I wear a lot of eye makeup and I know you have to be really careful how you wash your eye makeup off in order to not wash the lashes off with your eye makeup. So I figure I will end up having shorter wear because I do so much, wear so much eye makeup. But They do say that these are reusable, so they recommend that you clean off as much of the bond from the wisps as you can, and then you can re-wear them multiple times. And so I'm definitely going to pick up the overnighter, and I'll let you guys know if these survive more than a day. From what I've seen online, people can get 2 or 3 days out of them with the standard bond and seal, but for longer wear they do make an overnighter version of the bond, so I will keep you guys posted. But this is a really good first impression. I like them. I like them a lot. I can't feel them on my eyes. We'll see if they remain sturdy. I'm filming this the same day that I'm filming the House Labs foundation review. So if you want to go back to that review and see how these look at the end of the night, I will have that in that video because I'll be wearing them all day long. So there you have it. All right, Kiss. All right, Kiss. The Falscara. I like it. I like it. I like this concept. I have wanted to wear more false lashes, but the strip lashes don't always, sometimes they're too much, like they're too overkill, but I also don't want to get lash extensions because I wear so much eye makeup that I think they would not last very long and they're expensive, and so I think we might have an alternative. I'm gonna keep on trying these. I will keep you guys posted. Have you used the Kiss Falscara lashes? Let me know down in the comments below. Have you used whatever that major brand is that I can't think of? Why do I have Lashify in my head? Is that the name of it? I don't know. I'm new to this whole lash thing. Do you use those? Do you like them? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over makeup with me. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.